Hey everybody, welcome as we continue our Intro to Tournaments video series. I'm recording this video on January 9th of 2025, in case you're wondering the relevance. Let's talk about traditional weapons competition. So out of the 8 events that students can do, the second one that students do in their traditional ring is the weapons competition. So in the weapons competition, there is a difference for the recreational division, and there's a difference for the champion division. In the recreational division, students can actually do any weapons performance or demonstration they want. They just have to know that there are no gymnastics techniques, no flips, tricks, or anything like that, and they're not allowed to let go of their weapon. Other than that, because it's recreational, students can actually demonstrate whatever they would like to with that weapon. In the champion division, students must demonstrate one of the approved ATA weapons forms. So for the color belts, that's one of the approved color belt weapons forms. And then for black belts, it's one of the approved black belt weapons forms that are available for their rank. If they are a black belt recommended, they must choose one of the first degree black belt decided weapons forms. Now that we've covered that, let's cover exactly what the judges are watching for in traditional weapons competition.
Hey, this is me interrupting my own video with a 2025 rules update. So the weapons judging, so Judge A and Judge B are now also judging the overall quality of the weapon. They do not have separate judging assignments. So both Judge A and Judge B, the number one thing they're watching for is control. By the way, that's true of Judge C as well. In addition to that, they're going to be judging accurate, effective strikes. They're going to be judging consistency of power. They're going to be judging fluidity on the form. They'll be judging balance between the two sides, left and right. And they'll be judging stances, hand-foot timing, as well as rhythm and pacing, and the attitude and presentation. So the only difference between Judges A and B and Judge C, as we'll cover when I get back to the video we just made, is that Judge C is the only one that's going to take points off for memorization mistakes, or the only judge is going to give them a 0 for having an incomplete form. So high from 2025, we now return to the video we made in 2023.
And then just like before, Judge C in a recreational division is judging the overall presentation and performance. And then for the champion division is judging the overall presentation, performance, and the knowledge of the weapon. If a student forgets their material in recreation, they won't be penalized by anybody. If a student forgets some of their material, Judge C will penalize them, but Judges A and B won't. If they forget 4 or more moves, or if they don't finish it, Judge C has to give them a score of 0, but Judges A and B still have to give them the appropriate score for the quality of technique that they do in comparison to the other competitors. So that is ATA traditional weapons form. Continue going through this video series to go over the rules for all the other events. Again, welcome to ATA tournaments. I know you guys are going to have a great time.